Alright guys, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. Time for some TLC once again. We're going to do carpet replacement. LMR's got a video, runs about 3 minutes long, says take this out, do this. You know, it's not a hard gig. This is not a hard deal at all. It's time consuming. But I'm going to try and show you every tool it takes, at least for the 86. I don't know what bolts or nuts or screws. They may have changed from 87 to 93. But this will be, any tool you see here is what I used on the 86. I would think all the seatbelt fasteners, the Torx heads, stuff like that would be the same. Hopefully I can find all the tools I need here at the house without having to run and get anything. But we're going to start doing it. Wonderful thing is I have a convertible, so I can lay the entire top back and I don't have to worry about bumping my head, and I can move around in the car a lot easier because of the convertible. So that is one plus of the convertible. The minus is they're a lot more work because you're going to have to keep the top safe, you know, from the elements, or you're just going to be replacing tops every 10 years, give or take, depending on how bad the weather is where you are. But let's jump into it. Should be fun. I'll let you know what all we get into, any problems I run into, anything that I think you should be aware of, we'll do that. Should be a pretty simple deal, time consuming yet simple. Here we go. Okay, here's what they I ordered this through LMR. Because they had on their website, the reason I ordered from them, the prices were about the same on everything else, but they told the exact color for the 85 and 86 convertibles. And I didn't have to guess, okay, because there's like 5 different colors of gray throughout the years. All of the convertible flooring is the exact same size and dimensions and stuff. So, here's the very first time I've ever unfolded it. Here's what we're getting. I got a few pieces of black lint and stuff like that, but I mean, first time I've seen it, just like you. It looks to be the exact same color as what's in there. As you can see, look at the stains. I know there's a big ugly pink stain under that floor mat over there. But anyway, this has the juke backing. It is the thicker stuff. It's got it weighs about 10 to 12 pounds more than the actual carpet that you can order the $150 stuff, or you can order the 200. I'm like, you know, for another $50, I only do carpet every 33 years, so I'm gonna go with this. So I mean, I'm not worried about weight savings on this. I've got a 10-pound Reese hitch hidden up under there for my long hauls to haul extra suitcases, so you know, I'm not really worried about the weight savings in it. I wanted something. They said this is because of that backing, it's actually molded a little better, a little easier to install, and it'll help quieten down the Flowmasters on the inside of the car, because you know, you do get a nice little hum. You forget about it after a few minutes, but the hum is there. It's a good sound, but sometimes I don't want to hear it, you know. So that's what it looks like, and I'm very impressed with the quality and material there. So we're gonna let it sit in the sunlight and get warm so it'll move around a little bit easier and get that other, and let's start tearing that stuff out the inside. Alright, I have popped loose the I took the screws loose on this. I'm just gonna kick it up out of the way. All I got to do is unhook it down here, and I can move it up out of my way because the carpet ends just a couple inches in there. This is a Torx T50, so you will need a T50 to undo these anchors. And they're popped right loose, yay. Alright, this will be the first time I have ever taken these seats out. And they appear to be 15 millimeter. So, you will need a 15 millimeter for that. I'm going to run socket here. Let's see if it'll come out. 33 years, y'all. It ain't wanting to budge, so we're probably going to have to spray some breaker on it. Yeah. Alright, what I did, I went and got my my drill driver. I got it loose by hand. Anyway, I don't know you guys see. Yeah, there's your front two. They're still 15 millimeters, but they're not bolts, they're actually nuts. So I'm gonna have to probably have a little bit deeper, and I can't get the drill on them, so I'm probably gonna put a wrench on and pop them loose, and then I should be able to use one of my deep well sockets to pop that loose. But yep, that's that. Alright, I popped out all four. Two 15 millimeter bolts in the back, two nuts in the front. And wow, I found a glove, some money, some kind of beaded necklace, I guess. Hey, Foxtoberfest ballot instructions. Okay, now I've got to undo. There's a clip right at the seat belt. I got to pull this seat up and over just a little bit, but not take it out. No, it's still hooked to the seat belt, so yeah, I'm good. And there you go. I see a quarter. I'm gonna make some money on this gig, y'all. Have no clue what that is. There's half of a seat belt guard that goes over here. It's so brittle, it's actually shattering. 6 cents. There's a key. Have no clue what house that will go to. Yeah, I gotta get some new seat belt. These plastic, they are brittle, y'all. Oh cool, part number's still on it. But yeah, that's kind of rough. Yeah. Oh wow, you can hear the gunshots. Yeah, I live out in the country, man. This is God's country out here. We shoot the guns and everybody has a good old field day. The deputy sheriff lives right here with us, so I mean it's all cool. Everybody's cool with each other. Because I'm probably going to be practicing some more this evening so I can redo my concealed carry license. Alrighty. Well, I've got everything out of the way except the console and the 2 kick panels, which I think I don't even have any screws. I might have a couple little push pins holding them in, but I'll take out the kick panels. Never done the console, so we're going to film that and see what that looks like. Something down. We'll find out. Like I say, I know the 90 or 87 and up is going to be different. That's what the majority of the cars are, but these 4-eyes are making a nice little comeback, and I'm liking what I'm seeing with the 4-eye comeback going on. Okay, I'm looking up front. It's still something still got a hold on it. I can feel something up under there. It appears there's 4 screws. Yep, 4 screws hold that on, guys. So whenever you pop open that top, you got 4 of them bad boys down in there. That's what's holding on the back. So now, slide that up. Once I get the front end loose, getting that gear shifter, I'm thinking this whole piece here is separate. So we're going to take a look up in there, see what we get. I would think that would be about the same way it's being held on at the back, which is a magnetic head on this screwdriver, but it's not. But they can't go very far. We're going to put those 2 in the ashtray, and there you go. Wow, that was a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. Oh man, jackpot! Ding 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 ding! Look at there, look at there, y'all. I done made a buck. I'm up to about $1.30. Shoot, this thing gonna pay for itself. Whew! Man, let me. Oh, wow. That took about 2 hours, hour and a half to 2 hours to get it all out. Check it out. A frog keychain. I do not remember that at all. No clue. There's another penny. There's another penny. Good news, I made about $1.40 some. So, I mean, that's a plus, right? Alright, I have laid the carpet face down. The old stuff is face down. Now I'm laying this one in. Trying to get it slid. So basically the exact same place as the old one was, because you don't want to mess by much. It's tougher than I thought it was going to be to do this. Down right there is the closest one I've got. see what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do different than LMR did. I've got it flipped. Try and push it straight. Can you see a lot with the camera?
Yeah. I hope I'm not in the way.
Okay, I'm thinking that's the wrong hole for that. I'm thinking that goes in that hole. I think. Alright, we gotta keep this straight. Alright, I am back from lunch. Had to peel off the coat because it's about 57, 58 degrees. Two screws that hold this section tray. So right here's something for you to learn. Alright, now we're going to cut right along this rocker panel. This freaking seat, which is heavier than you think it would be. Alrighty guys, camera or the memory card filled up on the camera on the tripod right there, you can see it. That filled up, so I am finishing up the end of it. I have got everything in. Let me flip the camera around and show you. I don't know if it'll flip, it might not flip, but anyway. There's what it looks like. I am very, very happy. I used to have a big red stain and a bunch of oil stains and all down here. But you can see, yeah, I recommend buying this. Pretty much anybody you order from is going to give you the ACC carpet. Pick the vendor of your choice. LMR has always done good on me. I don't get paid. They don't sponsor me or anything, but I do like their customer service, and I like the fact that they had the correct color. It took me, let's see, I'm looking at the clock, about 4.5 hours. I had lunch in that. So 4 to 5 hours by myself. If you got a good worker, you might can knock off an hour. If you got a bad worker, might as well add 2 hours, right? But I like it. I only made one little small cut that I don't like, that's visible, but I put a piece of carpet behind it, and that should hide it. Anyway, I'm very thrilled, and it looks way better than that junk out there. There. Yeah. We're probably going to burn that and or chunk it. I know we'll chunk it. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. Might save it as my souvenir piece. I'll have a whole nother car. That's all the old car will be on the wall somewhere. But anyway, enough babbling. I appreciate everybody who watches. Maybe you learned something. Maybe you didn't. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you didn't like the video, hit the like button anyway and be sarcastic. That's what I do. I appreciate everybody watching. Thank you to all my subscribers. God bless you all. Peace.